Number traffic to 3 uniform tuning final runway 4.
Okay, again, add the power early, because you saw you were sinking there, right?
Yeah.
And you were going to make the airport guy go replace the lights, because you knocked them off your tires. So, again, roll it early if you see that. There's no problem adding a bit of power early. Zero problem.
Jumpstart your aviation journey today by going to angleofattack.com or downloading our free app on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store.